Pruning the trees, an essential gardening skill. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating English phrase, prune the trees. This phrase is not only common in English conversations but also offers a glimpse into a practical activity. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important. Stay with us to learn more. Prune the trees is a phrase that directly refers to the act of trimming or cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially in plants and trees. This activity is crucial for the health and aesthetics of the plants. When we prune trees, we're essentially ensuring their healthy growth and shape. Pruning isn't just about making plants look good. It has several benefits. 1. Health. Removing dead or diseased branches helps prevent the spread of disease. 2. Growth. By cutting back overgrown branches, we encourage the growth of new, healthy branches. 3. Shape and structure. Pruning helps maintain the plant's shape and enhances its appearance. Pruning may seem daunting, but with the right tools and techniques, it's quite straightforward. Here are some steps. 1. Identify what needs to be pruned. Look for dead, diseased, or overgrown branches. 2. Use the right tools. Secateurs, loppers, and pruning saws are commonly used. 3. Make clean cuts. Cut at a 45-degree angle, about 1/4 inch above a bud facing the outside of the plant. 4. Safety first. Always wear gloves and safety glasses. Beyond gardening, the concept of pruning is often used metaphorically in everyday English. We talk about pruning a budget or pruning a schedule, meaning to cut out unnecessary or unproductive parts. This usage demonstrates how gardening terms can enrich our daily language. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, prune the trees, and its significance both in gardening and everyday speech. Remember, pruning is about promoting health, growth, and beauty, whether in plants or in various aspects of our lives. Happy pruning, and see you in our next video.